Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is the unboxing of the Scrap Diva Designs December release. Here is Erica's website. And here is the social media. Make sure you follow along the hashtag for tons of inspiration. So let's just jump right in and see what these look like real quick. First up, we have a Christmas bell tag. So this is really cute. It's got, it's a tag, and then it's got the piece cut out, and then you can also layer on top, or you can put stuff behind it. You can make this a shaker. You can use the bell separately. Super cute. We have candy bag shaker. So there's two sizes, and there's little pieces that can go inside. Little bunnies and candies and swirls and stuff like that. So very cute. Then we have the Baby Bear mini album. So this is kind of a combination release. It's got some Christmas, it's got baby items, and it's got baseball items. Okay. So here's a cute little baby album. That's going to be super cute. We've got a round charcuterie add-on right here. So we got this really cute scalloped for the round set. So that will be fun to add on. We have a baseball mini album. Okay, so that's cute. Got the piece here. Here's the things for the baseball. We got the baseball diamond. Very cute. All the different layers. Super cute. And then we have baby words. So we have little one. I forgot to look at these beforehand and see. We have baby. We have lullaby. We have special. We have delivery. I can't read all these. Girl. You. Let's see, does that say you? Oh. Boy. I think it's a boy. Girl, boy, duh. Baby. Peekaboo. Welcome. And I can't tell what this one says. Can't tell. I'll get those all cut out for you guys and show you. So that's baby words. Okay. So lots of cute things to go with these projects. Lots of cute words. Okay, we got a baby onesie. Really cute. We have a 3D bow gift bag. I've been seeing this one being made already, and super cute. We have baseball words number 2. So it looks like we got major, run, slam, coach. Probably, that looks like it could be grand for grand slam. Can't see what that one is. Strikeout, baseball. I'll get those done for you guys too. We also have the holly and berries. So you can cut a whole bunch at once. All kinds of berries and all kinds of the leaves. Okay, then we have this cute little pajama set. So adorable. We have this one. It's called Dear Santa Letter. And so there's 4 different sizes of this little Santa letter from here to here. And there's like 2 embossed lines and a little embossed heart. Super cute. We have a teddy bear. So a little tiny teddy bear to go along with all these little baby projects. We have baby dreams. Oh, it's gonna be cute with the clouds and stars and the moon. So cute. Baseball words number 1. The ones I can read on this one are bat, glove. That probably says batter, double. Player maybe. So, like I said, I'll get all the words taken care of for you guys so you guys can see. A vintage clock shaker. Okay, that's going to be a different one too. Really pretty. We have reindeer treat box. It's got reindeer ears up here. That looks easy to put together and very cute. Looks like we got nose and eyes over there. This is a baby rattle. So cute. And then we have shaker bow number 2. So it looks like there's 2 different sizes there. Make shaker bows. Super cute. Okay, so that is all of the die sets. that's going to be, this is going to be released, December release comes, is available December 3rd on the website. Okay. Let me go through real quick the paper. I wasn't sure if I should do this together or separate, but since we're doing it, let's just go ahead and hop in and let me show you the paper. I got noises, and let me back out just a little bit maybe so you can see this paper. Just take it out of the plastic so you don't have a glare. So this is Erica's new Christmas collection. It is called Holiday Magic. It comes in 12 by 12 and 6 by 8. So you get 24 double-sided sheets. This is always really nice paper. So I'll just quickly flip through these designs. Lots of traditional red and green, but we also have some pink in there. Really cute. So we got tags. Okay. Let's see, this is gonna fall over. Okay, I'm in the middle of rearranging my craft rooms, and I shouldn't say craft rooms. I have one craft room, and then I have another room that I use for like shipping and doing different stuff for all my sales. So craft rooms coming together, but shipping room is nowhere near to what I'm doing yet. So anyway, we got this one. Other side has all these strips and some words that you can cut out and use. I always love these. I use the heck out of words that are on the word strips on all collections. I love that. Okay, so that's that one. I love this heart-shaped candy cane, which matches the heart-shaped candy cane mini album that Erica just came out with. So this one is the reverse of this. All these cute little people, some with presents on their heads, little hats, little earmuffs, super cute. Sorry, my voice kind of went, whoo. All right, love this polka dot. And so we got a green, and then we have some tone on tone, some of the darker green, kind of a lighter green. We got the pink, we got the red. Very cute. Opposite side of this one is the cute little lantern die set. Okay, very cute. And some holly berries. I love that Erica uses her die sets, her icons from her collections in her paper collections. That's so cute. Okay, these are cute little like hat and glove sets. Look how cute those are. Little green gloves with little tiny pink trim. These are little cute little white sweaters with a pink design, little hat with a pom-pom. Very cute. Okay, this side, this one has this pretty red. It's kind of a tone on tone. It's like a snowflake. The other side has the door and the Christmas tree, which are both in the release from November. We have this door tag set, and then with this tree is part of the, it's part of the oval, wavy tag oval set. It's a piece that comes with it. Very cute. We have a stripe. I always love a stripe. And then the other side is that layered tree again, and then a cute little squirrel and fox. Adorable. Excuse me, guys. Okay, so this is kind of a tone-on-tone green pattern. And then the opposite side, we got the white with the pretty bulbs. It's even got a little bit of mustardy type yellow in it. Very cute. Love that one. Ooh, I love the pink. Little dots. It almost looks like snowflakes coming down, but they're just round dots, but they're different size, so it kind of gives the illusion of like snow coming down. Really cute. The opposite side is gingerbread men with pink bows and frosting. Very cute. And that lighter green background. We got this cute pink kind of tone on tone pine cone. The opposite side of this is poinsettias. Very cute. And actually this is what the winter flower from November looks like. So really cute. Love that one. If you can hear noise in the background, that's my, the bedroom that I'm in now, that I made my craft room in. It's right above the living room, and we have So they're watching TV down there. We have, you know, a big screen on the wall, and it's got, you know, like a Bose sound system and stuff, and so it's very loud. I can hear it coming up through here, so sorry about that if you can hear it. All right, so this one we got houses, and we got that layered tree. I love this one. This is super cute. Love this one. And then we got the plaid on the other side. I always love the plaids also. This is kind of a scalloped looking one, and the opposite side of it, oh, is the cute little mini Santa that just came out in the November release also. And then there's some more holly berries. Very cute. Cute, cute, cute collection. Okay, so that is all of the papers. And the way Erica has it, she has it to where you can, you know, you can just get the paper, or you can get the whole bundle, or you could get, you know, the chipboard, or, you know, however you want to do it. If you just want some pieces, or if you want the whole collection. So here's her chipboard stickers, super cute. We got the hot cocoa one, which was a die set from this November. Here's the shape tag, one of the Christmas tags from November. We got the bows. We got these little kids, super cute. Christmas present Santa, so adorable. We got some houses. We got this little, oh, I love this little light bulb one. More of the characters. Bows, tree on top of the car. Love all those. So that is the chipboard set, and there are 2 ephemera packs. We have number 1 and number 2. Let me see. I'll just kind of pull these out real quick and show you. Sometimes it's like, okay, what's in number 1 and what's in number 2? Okay, and it doesn't have it on the back, so let me just kind of go through real quick and show you. And I think, if I remember right, there might be 2 of each, but I can't remember for sure. So we got some words: Santa, Merry Christmas, vibes, deer. Here's the little girl. Let's get cozy. I love that one. That's cute. The hats. The lantern, more of the tags. Cute little elf girl. More a wreath. Cute little reindeer. Again, deck the halls. Here's the candy cane heart. Here's candy canes by themselves. Got some little sprigs, and we got the winter flower. A little bow, and then here's a cute little gingerbread. And there's Santa. Yes, it looks like these do. There's that one again and this one again. So I was thinking that there was 2 of each in the pack, which I like, because especially like if you're doing a swap, and you know, I always try to make all mine the same, and so I always want at least 2 of the same, and a lot of times I prefer 3. I mean, you can vary them a little bit, but I always like to have mine the same, all the same elements. So super cute. So that's all those. Here's some more words that I don't think I got shown at the first. Candy cane. Yep, so there's 2 of those. Here is the gingerbread, and I like how she does the words in different colors also, so they're not all one color. So we got some of the lighter green, we got some of the brighter red, the darker red, Merry and Bright Christmas. Here's a darker green, Holly Jolly. I think that's dark green. Or is this one black? I can't tell. I got different lighting up here, so I don't even know how well this is coming out. Festive, Merry Christmas. Here's the other festive in that kind of mustardy color. Another hot chocolate, gingerbread bakery. This is a darker red. So super cute. So that is ephemera pack 1, in case you're wondering. And then let me go quickly through number 2. Okay, number 2, we've got some more of the characters. We got, ooh, a bunch of these layered trees. I love that. The tree on top of the car. Some houses. Love that. Some more holly berries, bows. Oh, we got the cute little squirrels. I love those. Here's some of the winter flower. Merry Christmas banner. Well, here's a couple of cute little sweaters. A couple more cute elves. A couple of the Santas. A couple of the snowmen. So this is definitely different than the other. Little girl with the earmuffs. Here's some lights. Here's some pine cones. Some more trees in different color. Oh, some cute little boots. Gingerbread. Gifts. Houses. Windows. Doors. Couple, looks like there's about, well, 2 of them have no holly and 2 of them have holly, and the glasses. A couple of the foxes. Some more of the sprigs. Some cute little glove sets. Holly berries, and the door. So this one doesn't, this one, number 1 has all kinds of words. This one only has 1 word, which is on this banner. So that's a big difference, and this one has more of the littler characters. So anyway, that's the difference between Ephemera Pack 1 and Ephemera Pack 2. So hope that's helpful to you guys. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. I will come back on release evening to put all the affiliate links in there. If you would be so kind as to use my affiliate links, that shares a portion of the sale with me without costing you guys anything more. I super appreciate that. Feel free to use my discount code when you check out. It's Polka10, Polka10. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye, guys.